Hello again, everyone. I'm just here today for a quick unboxing of a Chic Sparrow Traveler's Notebook. When I found out that Chic Sparrow was probably discontinuing its Creme Black Beauty, I was like, oh no, I better I better get a B6 Slim size. So they didn't actually have the deluxe, so I got a classic. So that's what this is, and I'm excited to open it up because I have so few classics. It'll be interesting to see, and it'll be interesting to see if I actually like working in the classic. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. So take that sticker off. All right. There we go. I'm just going to look in here real quick to see what sticker I have here. Oh, it looks like we're not getting stickers. My last one didn't have a sticker either. I wonder if that's because of what's going on right now. But anyway, it's okay. It's okay, Chic Sparrow. All right, so let's go ahead and dig into this. Oh, pretty. Okay, I actually really like that. All right, so I did get the added stitching in the matching stitching. I didn't buy Black Beauties before they switched to matching stitching because I wasn't really a fan of the white stitching because I really like it to kind of blend in, especially if it's black. I know not everyone feels that way, but that is my preference. And so I got the matching stitching on here just so that it would look a little bit more polished, I guess. And then I got the riveted pen loop, which now comes with these rivets with the little Chic Sparrow logo on them. And this is actually a really nice texture. It's not too bumpy and it's not too smooth. This is actually what I prefer, is the sort of in-between texture where it's not too bumpy and not too smooth. So this is perfect for me. I'll give you a little bit of a close-up there so you can see the texture and on the back. And yes, very pretty. This leather too, the creme rather, is super durable, so I don't think it's going to be an issue with holding up. All right, and again, I still feel like these are a little bit stiffer elastics, but on my last one that I set up with these stiffer elastics, I did loosen this little knot a bit, and that helped quite a bit. So I might do that on this one too once I fill it. And Classic is actually a pretty good choice for this particular leather because the leather is pretty thick already without being doubled up, although they do skive it. I believe skiving is how you say it. All right. Well, that's it. It was just a really quick unboxing. I haven't been getting a lot of Chic Sparrow orders, partially because they weren't sending anything out for a while, but also I've been trying not to buy as many because I have so many already to be used. But now this one's going to be added to the collection. It doesn't have a dedicated use yet, so I'll see what I can find and get back to you about it. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.